Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn about camera positioning. Putting your camera in different angles conveys different type of messages and tells different stories to your audience. Mostly you can classify the camera positioning into three different categories. Number one, high angle shots. Here the camera looks down at the subject from a higher angle. These kind of shots make the subject powerless and vulnerable. As you can see, a high angle shot makes these characters powerless and feared. Now let's move on to the second one, which is the eye height shots. Here the camera is placed at the eye level of the subject, which allows the audience to feel the same emotion as the subject is feeling. In this way, your audience can feel more connected to the subject and more emotionally involved to the subject. Now the final one is a low angle shot. Here in these kind of shots the camera looks up to the subject. These kind of shots make the subject more powerful and strong. Mostly this is used to show a hero's entry or a villain's entry into a shot. This is just to show a powerful personality in a video. If you are showing someone who is much more powerful, who is strong, then you should go for a low angle shot. Well, that's all about the camera positioning. You can go for a low angle shot, eye height shot, or a high angle shot to convey different emotion in your story. Here in this kind of shots, you can create different emotion and connect with the audience in a different level. Now it's time for you to create a small 1-minute video by using the framing and camera positioning. The concepts are well mentioned to you all, and I want you to create a small video and send me on Instagram or Facebook. And now it's time to move on to the next part, where we will learn about the lenses and different kind of lenses and how you are going to use it while you are shooting.